Good evening, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, 8:56 p.m. Eastern Time on the 28th. We're doing this for you. We're going to be discussing the future of the weather. We may actually see some snow by next weekend, not this weekend, but the weekend after, based on longer-term models. We'll look at that. That'll be for Virginia and even in the Delaware Valley and north. So we'll take a look at that. Currently, we have some precipitation falling up near Minnesota. That's moving to the south and east. Some also in the lakes area. We know how that is in Syracuse, places like that. It gets pretty crazy up there. We'll continue on. As you see, the models show maybe some sleet action come across parts of Iowa. It moves to the east. Rain will be a major threat for this weekend in the East Coast, with thunderstorms possible. Some snow definitely could be in Rochester and Minneapolis and parts of Iowa. Then this moves up and out of the way. Cold air tries to come down. We will see that occur with a low develop on Wednesday with possible snow in parts of Connecticut, northern Jersey, and then further north. A little bit of the wind kicking in on the backside for West Virginia and far southwest Virginia. And like I said, northwestern New Jersey, Poconos, Connecticut, Massachusetts. Hudson Valley looks like they'll have possible snow middle next week. Parts of Massachusetts. It moves off the coastline. This sets the stage for what I call something that could be a big effect to us. Major snow looks. Let me back up here. Let me go back. A major system could be on its step with freezing rain, sleet, and snow. And that would be St. Louis, Kansas City, Missouri, parts of northern Arkansas, and then this thing gets into the Roanoke Valley, and you're going to see in North Carolina and Roanoke Valley over here some snow, and this will be mainly on Friday evening into Saturday, going 7th, 6th to the 8th time frame towards Bluefield, and then this will just move and icy sleet and snow mix with Roanoke, Smith Mountain Lake, Bedford, Lynchburg, up the 81 corridor for the most part, back towards Bluefield, West Virginia. Northern Virginia may see some light snow. This will then move north also. D.C. stays in mostly rain. It's going to be a nice fine cutoff line like most nor'easters here in the northeast. We could see in the Delaware Valley, Philadelphia be right on that line whether they get rain or snow, and it's still ways away, so it has time to get colder or warmer on either end. I would dominantly say it probably will get colder before we get warmer. So this is a setup storm, and then we have more snow possible towards December 11th with another low cranking up. And then we wait to see what happens, a little bit of warm up around the 14th. So we have to see how this all plays out. So what I would say to you is the Midwest is going to get a pretty good snowstorm coming up. And then definitely anywhere from North Carolina, Bluefield, Roanoke, up the 81 corridor, parts of New Jersey, Maine, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, Rhode Island. Those areas need to watch for East Coast storm by a week from Friday. So we'll have to keep an eye on it for you, and we will here at the Weather Pros. Think snow. If you are looking for a service, we give them 10 days free trial, so please go to theweatherpros.com and try that out, especially if you're a plow operator, a landscaper, you work outside, have an outside company. That's what we specialize in. So please go to theweatherpros.com, sign up for your free trial today. Meteorologist Dean Davison, The Weather Pros, and Responding Fire. Thanks for watching.